Hey, Mike here with Reprint. This video, I want to talk about cleaning your encoder strip. This is this clear strip right here. Let me grab the camera with my other hand. It's this clear strip right here. It travels the entire length of the machine in the print area, and this thing can make your machine do all kinds of crazy things. Keeping it clean is very important. So cleaning this is not very hard. You just want to make sure you have either a microfiber cloth and some rubbing alcohol, or alcohol wipes, which I'm going to try to open this alcohol wipe with my other hand. Alright, so let me grab it and I'll show you exactly what we do. We want to take this throughout the entire machine, take a little alcohol wipe, and I'm just going to do this area, but go throughout the entire machine. It's up there. Do that, clean it really good. You get lots of different crazy issues, like I said, so keep that clean. They do need replaced periodically when they get bad, and they're pretty simple to replace. There's a little set screw right here, and then a spring at this end down here. I'll go ahead and walk to this end. Here's the other end of it, and see where it's at. My camera, okay, there we go. Right there's the other end of it that you would attach. Make sure not to lose that spring, and they're pretty simple. Feeding it back through the machine, just take your spring off, feed it through, put in the new one, and you're good to go. Sometimes you can get away with turning these upside down. I've done it many times myself in a pinch. So if you're having problems with yours, you can usually turn it upside down and start printing again. So let's see if you can see it inside the machine. A little trickier. There you go. It rides in that little rail right there. Clean it really good, and hopefully that solves your problem. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.